Shalom, shalom, garden family. I just wanted to come out and do a quick tour and show you what I did with the grapes. Finally, I know it's probably a little too late, but hopefully we'll get some growth in the next month. The mint. Oh my goodness. I mean, and the fragrance is so lovely. This mint I had in the house, but because I saw how beautiful this one was doing outdoors, I decided to go ahead and put this one outdoors as well. The little red giants is still coming along. The bolted cilantro is doing its thing. And I wanted you to see what I had in this little tray that's still in here. I haven't taken them out yet to transplant yet, but the spinach looks good. Chard looks good. Jalapenos is coming along, and the red giants. And also I put some dazzling blue kale in here, and I think some other kind of mustard greens. That is the dragon fruit. Looks good. Let's see, the cucumber, turnips, giant mustards, and the kale is coming along okay. Let's see, the broccoli is looking pretty darn good in here after she got transplanted. Of course, the rosemary, she's going to stay fine. One thing I noticed about rosemary is that you pretty much can't kill it. It's just going to stay there looking all mighty fine. Let me pick you all up. I still have these 2 pieces of dragon fruit that I need to transplant. They're just sitting in water now. We're getting so much rain here in California that these plants are surviving so nicely. Let's see. These 2 garden beds here. Let's see. The chickweed is looking good. All the kale is looking good. The chard is looking good. Now, there's peppers in here, which we probably won't see until they get mature, because you know how peppers are. They take some time. And I got some more kale over here, and I added some more kale down there, which I still see chickweed coming up too, but that's okay. As I was telling Plant to Garden TV that that the chickweed has been growing in the yard and I've been purchasing it no more. Okay. Peach is looking fabulous over here. I mean, she's looking totally fabulous. I see the pollinators are over there germinating. All the bees are over there germinating them. See if I can get over here and move this curtain off of them, because yeah, the bees are over here having a blast. And I got one little bloom on the lemon down there, a couple of blooms. Let's see what Miss Lemon does this year. I'm telling you, she's something else. Got the aloe vera there. She's looking really good. And these are all just the pollinator plants here. Prized for their beauty. Got a lot of succulents over here, as you can see down there. And then the lilies. Okay. I'm going to take you to go see the what I did with the grapes. Yeah, the lilies are falling off. You know how they are. They come once a year, and you better have a beautiful look at them while they're here, because next thing you know, they'll be like this. So check your lilies before they're gone. Okay, let's go behind the gate here and see what we got. I'm in the process of taking down my curtains and stuff. This is just my little area here where I keep all my dried leaves, you know, my boots and all my tools and stuff. This is another little tube bin that I find very, 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 very convenient to have. Okay, so here's grape number 1. This is where she'll be. This is her home. She's leaning because that's the way she wants to be. But that's her home for now. Look at all the strawberries coming in. Strawberries are coming in with the weeds. But that's okay, because I found out that weeds are good. And here's the other grape. So I got them both back in the ground, or back in some soil. And we're praying that that's okay with them. Now, let's come through here and have a look at my nectarine. There's the nectarine. Is she not beautiful? She's blooming for me. And she's got all these different little leaves coming on her again. Beautiful. Now, she's the plant that I never transplanted, so she's still in her original container. And I know that's a no-no. So what I'll probably do next fall is go ahead and transplant her when she's dormant. I'm not going to touch her now, obviously. The fig is looking great. I honestly do believe we lost our cherry tree. It's sad, but I don't think she's going to be growing back anymore. Let's go have a look at the oranges. Of course, the onions are doing, let me show you. Of course, the onions are doing what they do. But the orange has blooms all over her. I mean, can you see those blooms? Everywhere. Beautiful. Over there is also the lime and the lemon. They're still little dwarfs, but they're doing pretty well. All the chard over here is doing well. And so that's how we're looking after this winter. After all these crazy storms. Of course, I got weeds galore to pull. And the blackberry's looking good over here. She's doing her thing. She's got some new leaves on her. They're so pretty. I love their leaves. Their foliage is amazing. But yeah, that's some more. She's pretty much growing all the way out like she did last year. But everything is looking really nice out here. I wanted to take you outside the gate. I pulled up those mustard greens and transplanted them that were down here in the cracks. And look at the pomegranate. Isn't she lovely? I mean, she's got fruit on her. And pray for my pomegranate for me, please. Or speak some positivity into her, because we deserve a pomegranate off of her. I'm seeing flowers, blooms everywhere on her. So this is the most vigorous she's ever grown in this pot. Yeah, that's the most vigorous she's ever grown. I let her get crazy this year just to see what she would do, and I think she's enjoying that. The thyme looks good. The Mexican thyme looks amazing. And let's look at the oh, that's my chicken manure. I need to be using that. If I don't bring it inside, I'm telling you. But that's the lemon, the volunteer. She's looking wonderful. Again, she's a volunteer because I don't know how she got there. I don't recall tossing any lemon seeds. I just have no clue. But let's look at the lavender. Is she beautiful or not? I mean, she's just sprawled out all over the place here. I mean, she is absolutely beautiful. It looks like a beautiful thumbnail. Yes, she is amazing. How pretty that is. All new growth. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you today. Thank you for coming to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let's communicate. Again, like the video. As I hear everybody says, it helps. Anyways, remember to always do your best. Be blessed. And grow something to eat. All praises.